Ever wondered how DIY rat rod racers keep safe while pushing their homemade dragsters to the limit? In a world where speed and creativity collide, safety is never an afterthought. Rat rod builders are masters of improvisation, often repurposing seatbelts from decommissioned aircraft or salvaged roll cages from old race cars. Some craft their own roll cages from steel tubing, carefully welded for maximum strength. Firewalls made from sheet metal or even repurposed road signs shield drivers from engine mishaps. For added protection, many racers install racing harnesses and anchor them to reinforced chassis points, ensuring they stay secure at high speed. Innovative builders also use quick-release steering wheels for fast exits in emergencies. Homemade window nets from racing webbing or sturdy cargo straps keep arms inside during a crash. Drivers often wear fire-retardant suits, even if sourced secondhand, and build custom battery boxes to prevent electrical fires. Each feature is a testament to the rat rodder's ingenuity, proving safety doesn't have to come from a catalog, but from bold, creative thinking.